Hello, world. Welcome, I am your host Mr. Stag. Today we will be discussing Monster Beverage Corporation, ticker symbol MNST. Monster Beverage Corporation is an American beverage company that manufactures energy drinks including Monster Energy, Relentless and Burn. Monster Beverage Corporation, through its subsidiaries, develops, markets, sells, and distributes energy drink beverages and concentrates in the United States and internationally. It operates through three segments: Monster Energy Drinks, Strategic Brands, and Other. The company offers carbonated energy drinks, non-carbonated dairy-based coffee and energy drinks, non-carbonated energy teas and shakes, non-carbonated energy drinks, and ready-to-drink packaged energy drinks primarily to bottlers and beverage distributors, as well as sells directly to retail grocery and specialty chains, wholesalers, club stores, mass merchandises, convenience chains, drug stores, food service customers, value stores, e-commerce retailers, and the military, and concentrates and/or beverage bases to bottling and canning operations. The company was originally founded as Hansen's in 1935 in Southern California, originally selling juice products. In the 1930s, Hubert Hansen and his three sons began selling fresh non-pasteurized juices to film studios and retailers in Southern California under the Hansen's name. The company became Hansen's Juices, and later the Fresh Juice Company of California. The plant that was opened in Los Angeles in 1946 was used until operations were moved to a new plant in Azusa, California in 1993. In 1977, Tim Hansen, one of the grandsons of Hubert Hansen, perceived a demand for shelf-stable pasteurized natural juices and juice blends and formed Hansen Foods, Inc. Hansen's expanded its product line from juices to include Hansen's Natural Soda brand sodas. The company filed for bankruptcy in 1988, and was acquired by the California Co-Packers Corporation and renamed Hansen Natural Company. In 1990, California Co-Packers Corporation D.B.A. Hansen Beverage Company (CCC) acquired certain assets of HFI, including the right to market the Hansen's brand name. In 1992, Rodney Sachs and Hilton Schloberg, the acquire company, list Hansen Natural Corporation on Nasdaq. Rodney Cyril Sachs, born 1949 in, is a South African billionaire businessman worth $2.9 billion, chairman, and CEO of Monster Beverage since 1990. Rodney was born into a Lithuanian Jewish family. He grew up in South Africa. He was educated at University of the Witwatersrand in Johannesburg and graduated with a law degree as well as a postgraduate higher diploma in tax law. Sachs worked as a lawyer in South Africa, and was the youngest person to be made a partner of Worksmans, the country's largest corporate law firm. In August 1989, Sachs emigrated to California with his family, having spent nearly 20 years with Worksmans and rising to become a senior partner. In 1990, a consortium led by Sachs and his fellow South African, Hilton Schloberg, net worth $2.5 billion, acquired Hansen Natural Corporation, which in 1992 acquired Hansen's Natural Soda and Apple Juice for $14.5 million. Under new ownership, the Hansen's beverage business significantly expanded to include a wide range of beverages within the growing alternative beverage category, including, in particular, energy drinks. In 1996, after 2 years of losses, company again posts a profit. In 1998, the company moved from Anaheim, California to Corona, California. In April 2008, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration ruled products containing high fructose corn syrup could not be labeled natural. Shortly after, Hansen's Natural Corporation announced they had begun using cane sugar instead. On January 5, 2012, after energy drinks had grown to the largest source of revenue, shareholders agreed to change the name of the company from Hansen's Natural to Monster Beverage Corporation, under the new ticker MNST. Shareholders also approved an increase in the number of authorized shares of common stock from 120 million shares to 240 million shares. They sold their Hansen's juices and sodas and their other non-energy drink brands to the Coca-Cola Company in 2015. The Coca-Cola Company bought a 16.7% stake for $2.15 billion in Monster Beverage Corp in 2015. This stake has since grown to 19.36% due to share buybacks conducted by Monster Beverage Corp. In 2016, we completed our acquisition of flavor supplier and longtime business partner AFF. As of 2020, Monster held nearly 39% of the $5.7 billion U.S. energy drink market. Hansen's Natural Corp., what Monster was called in 1997, would be worth more than $3.9 million today. Monster current stock price at the time of this video is $92.06 with a market cap of $48.71 billion. The stock is currently undervalued according to Simply Wall Street by 19.6% and its fair value price is 114.54. The P ratio is 31.9%. The company is currently trading around 7.8 times its book value. Monster currently pays no dividend. Earnings per share of 2.89, a gross margin of 57.06%, a net profit margin of 28.76, and a debt-to-equity ratio of 0%. The company's earnings growth has been strong, but compared to the industry it is the similar. Rodney and Hilton both own $300+ million stakes in Monster. With the ever-growing of video game culture and degenerate traders, MNST has the potential to pass Red Bull as the #1 energy drink. Hopefully its stock can duplicate 10x gains like the degenerate traders.